1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to LN DIYs. And right now I've got this amazing bacon jam recipe to share with you. Need I say more? Let's get started. You'll need 1 pound of bacon, which we'll render down first. Drain out all the grease, and then we're gonna cook 2 large onions diced and render those down. Combine everything, add in all the ingredients, let it simmer down until it becomes a jam. Let's do this. Bacon, bacon. Do you hear the sizzle? My bacon is ready. It's like perfectly ultra crispy golden brown. Do you see that? Ooh, that's perfect. So don't worry about the bacon bits on the bottom because all of that is gonna be lifted up as the onions render in the pan. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna drain all of this out so that the grease is on the bottom and we only capture the bacon. The bacon is ready. We've drained out the grease and all the goodness and the bits are inside. Next, we're gonna add in the onions and we're gonna render those down. I've been letting this cook for about 3 minutes now. I'm gonna add a little bit of the water just to lift up the browning and to help it get translucent. So about 1/4 of that. 2 tablespoons. Ooh, look at that, it's lifting up. How beautiful is that? The onions are ready and I am not taking them off the heat. We are just gonna add in all the ingredients. First, bacon. That's my star. Then 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup strong coffee, and we're gonna stir this all together. I still have my bacon grease on the side just in case I need a little extra to help it not stick to the pan. We're gonna cook this down till it turns into a consistency like this. While this is cooking down, hit subscribe, comment below, tell me what else you want to learn to make. I've got an amazing miso salmon recipe. Ooh, I can't wait till I teach you that. Oh, there's so much, you guys, so much that I can just show you because I love to cook and I love to eat. We're almost there, but I like to stir it occasionally so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And then keep the heat on medium. Don't try to rush it. When you put it on high, it really has a chance of burning because of the brown sugar. So put it on medium or medium low, but we're almost there. Turning it off. Okay, you guys, it's ready. You wanna come and look? You can tell because there's very little liquid on the bottom. And look at this. Oh, I wish you could smell it. I turned off the heat and the residual heat is gonna keep letting it like kind of cook a little bit. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna be adding these into little mason jars for me to enjoy. I always say it lasts up to about 1 or 2 weeks in the refrigerator. You wanna heat it up a little bit before you serve it because we also have a bacon in here, right? And I'm gonna tell you a couple ways I eat it. Number 1, with steak, hamburger, salad, almost everything you could possibly think of. But we're gonna be utilizing it in our tea sandwiches mixed in with some smoked Gouda. We've just finished making our bacon jam and now we're gonna apply it into these wonderful little tea sandwiches. Because what's afternoon tea without tea sandwiches? So we're gonna make 4 different kinds. The first one is bacon jam and smoked Gouda. The second one is gonna be an egg salad sandwich. And this egg salad recipe is posted right up here. We made it for Easter with our post-Easter eggs that we dyed. So make sure you check out that recipe. And our third one is gonna be Brie, ham, and apple. And And our last one is a cream cheese, smoked salmon, and avocado tea sandwich. So I'm ready to get jamming if you are. For our last tea sandwich, we're gonna put together the smoked salmon, cream cheese, and avocado. Ta-da! All 4 tea sandwiches are done. I love this combination because it's sweet, it's savory, it's got a little bit of saltiness. It balances everything within your palate so that you have a little bit of everything. This will be perfect addition for our Mother's Day brunch. Stay tuned for future episodes that are going to show you the full tablescape and setup for our Mother's Day brunch. Follow, subscribe, like, do it all, and check out all my other DIY videos because we have so much stuff that you can enjoy and try. So remember, try it, have some fun, and make it yours. See you at the next one.